Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will see what is assign activity in UiPath Studio. So for that, we are going to use an existing project. So here I am opening a main.xaml in my UiPath Studio. So you can see that main in the designer panel scheme. So mainly this assign is useful when we want to assign any value to an existing variable, or if you want to perform any operation between two variables, so we are going to use this. And in the cases of using the loops, for suppose if I am using any for each loop or while using the while loop, so these assign statements are useful to use a variable as a counter. So while using a while loop, so we should have some variable which is either related to either increment or decrement. So that time this assign activity will be very helpful while performing add operation on the same variable. So I will show you how we can use this as assign activity. So for that, click on the activities tab. In that, search for the assign. So as I recently used, we can see that as the activity as assigned in the favorites tab or in the recent. So just drag and drop into the designer panel. So now we can see there are two fields available in assign activity, which that is a 2 and another one is enter a VB expression field. So 2 is the variable name. So we are going to provide the variable name in this field. So suppose if we have, if we want to assign a value to another variable. So if suppose if I am using activity, I am performing one activity like adding two numbers, the result I want to assign to another variable C. So that time I will keep the value of C here and I will keep the expression or the activity. Suppose if I am adding two numbers A plus B. So I'll keep that expression here as A plus B. So like this we can use. Suppose if I have a variable here in this one, so I am keeping a variable as assign value. So here I am not declaring any value, so I am changing the variable type as integer. So as we said, so the assign value of variable is of type integer. By default its value will be 0. Suppose if I want to keep the value of assign as 2, so I will write the variable name as assign. So in this case I am assigning some value to it. So suppose I want to assign a value as 25, provide the value there. So instead of assigning the value here in the variable panel, so we can declare it in assign panel. Okay. So once we execute this, it will consider the assign value as 25. Suppose if I want to display if I want to check this, so I am using the message box to display the value existed in the assign variable. Okay. So once we run this sequence, so we'll see the value as 25 on the message box. So here it is, we're seeing the value as 25. So suppose if I have an activity which is required to add multiple numbers, suppose I will create one more activity with assign statements. So I'm creating two variables for each. A is the first variable. I'm keeping the value as 15. And I'm creating one more variable as B with value as 20. Suppose if I want to add and assign the value to this assign value variable, so I'll create the expression here as A plus B. So I think it will not create a variable directly, so I think we need to declare here as integer, keeping the variable as A. Just click on it and rename the variable name as A and change the variable type as integer. So now I will click on. So next in the same way, for the second one, and as B, change the type as integer. So now you can see that one is got deleted. So now if you run this sequence, so we'll see the assign value as A plus B, which equals to 15 plus 20, that is 35. Let's run this. So now we are seeing the value of the output as 35. So that's all for now. Thank you.